Okay, another layering video for tonight. Okay, and today we're gonna be layering HSI Profondo with HSI Eclat Homme. Alright, so ano ba yung kakalabasan ng dalawang perfume na to? And bakit nga ba tayo nagla-layer ng perfume? So sometimes, nagsasawa na tayo sa mga perfume na ginagamit natin, or we just wanna be unique and want to stand out in a crowd kasi nga sometimes ang dami nating mga katulad na perfume na pagka nakakasama natin yung mga tao sa labas, so gusto natin maging unique sometimes, so that's why we're layering perfumes. And magugulat ka minsan pagka nag-layer ka ng perfume, ang ganda ng kinakalabasan. So test natin tong dalawang perfume na to and let's see kung maganda yung kanilang combination. And by the way, I've already done a video on the Profondo, and a while ago, of course, we've had the earlier first impression on Signature sent by Eclat Homme, or the Eclat Homme version of HSI. So, subukan natin. Okay? Baka maganda tong combination to, and it's suggested to me by, of course, ChatGPT. Alright, so spray tayo ng dalawa dito sa right wrist natin, Profondo. Okay? And then let's go ahead and also spray on our Eclat Homme. Wow! Grabe. Hindi ko pa lalapit yung ilong ko. Ay, grabe yung bango. Ang grabe yung bango talaga na ito. Kakaiba yung kanyang combination. Alam mo yung bergamot, citrusy, tapos sinaloon mo siya ng sea salt, may dagat, na alam mo yun, parang imagine mo yung summer na nasa dagat ka and you're drinking parang fresh orange juice. Ganun yung scent. Tapos naamoy mo yung agos ng dagat or alon na pumupunta sa mukha mo. Ganun yung scent niya. Ang galing. Grabe. Yung may pagka-woody siya, medyo sa bandang gitna after a few seconds kasi malakas yung top note ng bergamot ni Eclat Homme, and then medyo pa nagda-dry down, yun na, mapasok na yung pagka-woody notes. Pero ang maganda nga dun is naamoy mo yung pagka-sea salt, nagko-combine dun sa bergamot. Ang ganda ng kanyang combination. This is very fresh, very fruity, citrusy, and this is a safe combination na pwede mong gamitin pagka lumalabas ka, may errands ka, papasok ka sa school, or papasok ka sa work. You can also use this for date nights. It's a very good combination. So I would strongly suggest this layering combination. Ang galing talaga. Ang galing talaga. Hindi pa pumapalya sa akin si ChatGPT. So if you have a lot of perfumes at home, I'd suggest that you put them all or list them down on ChatGPT, and then you ask for some suggestions kung paano mag-layer ng perfumes. Okay? So that's it for tonight's video. Marami pa tayong gagawing combination, and I'll let you know kung patok ba yung naging suggestion ni ChatGPT on our next videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. So ito na yung combination natin for tonight, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!